Hi, I'm Matt Laws and I'm the Vice Principal for Shrewsbury College's group for all technical and vocational courses. I'm delighted to announce that from September 2023, we will be delivering the newly developed T-level qualifications. These new qualifications are a fantastic opportunity for you to blend classroom learning with real-life practical experiences through work placements that are an integral part of the T-level. These qualifications have been developed in collaboration with employers and businesses, so the content of these courses meet the needs of the industry sector that you are interested in. The successful completion of a T-level will allow you to go into a career, onto university or onto a higher level apprenticeship. In addition, we offer a number of transition courses to complement these new T-levels to ensure we develop the skills, knowledge and behaviours in supporting your next steps. All of our transition courses will allow you, the student, to progress onto one of our T-level programmes. If T-levels are for you, please come and see us to find out more about these fantastic qualifications.